When you offer your items or services, using affiliate products to supplement the product you're selling can be quite successful. If you can locate a product that is similar to yours, but not the same, affiliate marketing is almost certainly worth exploring. Just make sure that the thing you promote will benefit the people you intend to reach. On the other hand, there are instances when affiliate marketing is a bad idea, and recognizing these instances can save you time and money. Now let's look at some of the reasons why it might not be worth it to be an affiliate marketer in general, or for a certain product or service. Number 1. When you have no desire or passion for the product. Some people might argue that you can advertise and do well without having a passion for the product, but you will normally do better if you have some interest in the product you're advertising. Desire is essential for success in every business, and affiliate marketing is no exception. If you have a passion for the market and the desire to work hard, you will produce stronger reviews and advertisements and appear more educated about the product or service. If you lack in one of these, you should reconsider becoming an affiliate. If you lack in both, you should definitely avoid the idea completely. Number 2. When you want to make money overnight. If you imagine that creating a Google ad or posting a social media post would make you a big commission overnight, think again. If you imagine that creating a Google ad or posting a social media post would make you a big commission overnight, think again. Affiliate marketers must work hard, understand brand recognition, and have a solid marketing strategy to be successful. This is not an overnight accomplishment. The affiliate marketing industry is teeming with successful marketers, and almost all of them will tell you that making money takes time. You won't be an instant success, and if that's what you're looking for, you might want to look at another business plan. I'm glad you're enjoying this video. Please take a second to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Number 3. When the product has poor reviews. A product can look wonderful and have an excellent sales page, but jumping in and pushing things based on the sales page alone is a terrible idea. If the product is bad, you could advertise it to your audience and lose their faith permanently. That is why having first-hand familiarity with the product is recommended. If you can't get your hands on a copy, you'll have to snoop around on various websites for reviews. If the product has a large percentage of negative feedback, avoid it. Number 4. When the website owner has a poor history. Check out the owner of the product or service you consider marketing, and if they have a bad reputation for being a fraud or con artist, reevaluate your options. Look up the person's name on Google and see what you can learn about them. It's not difficult to locate negative press about someone. Simply conduct searches online and through social media outlets. If the negative evaluations or feedback outnumber the positive, you should be cautious about promoting their affiliate program. Number 5. When the vendor is not using a recognized affiliate software. Unfortunately, there are many con artists out there, and they are damaging the affiliate marketing industry. If the person you want to promote isn't using a well-known affiliate software platform, you should look for other reasons to promote him. Be careful too, because there have been several reports on the internet showing that marketers not getting their affiliate commissions. Number 6. The vendor isn't displaying the appropriate disclaimers and disclosures. If the affiliate vendor fails to show the relevant disclaimers and disclosures on their websites, they risk being closed down by the affiliate platforms, resulting in you not being paid. Affiliate link disclosures are essential and required by the Federal Trade Commission. They warn that all affiliates and vendors must include certain disclaimers and disclosures or face fines. These FTC standards, which were implemented in 2009, caused the major affiliate platforms to rewrite their website agreements. As a result, those who failed to comply with the new terms and conditions forfeited their account. So you need to examine the product owner's website to ensure it includes all of the necessary FTC and affiliate disclaimers. You should be concerned if they are not. Let's take a closer look at the benefits and cons of affiliate marketing, because understanding them will further help you decide whether starting an affiliate marketing firm is worthwhile. First, let's look at the pros. 1. You don't need to create a product or course. Creating a product takes time and can take anything from 30 days to 2 years. Furthermore, a lot of work is done behind the scenes, and affiliates benefit greatly from not having to do this themselves. 2. The product owner is in charge of customer service and returns. Dealing with customer care and processing returns is a full-time task that incurs additional costs for the vendor. If the product is satisfactory, they may receive hundreds of inquiries each day. You will never have to worry about customer service as an affiliate because it is the product owner's obligation, not yours. 3. A superb way to monetize your website. Affiliate marketing is still a legitimate and lucrative strategy to monetize your business. It's a fantastic monetization approach as long as you choose the right products and follow the guidelines. 4. Cheap startup. For people wishing to make money online, affiliate marketing is a low-cost solution. It's arguably the best method if you already have an audience. You'll need a domain name, hosting, an email autoresponder, and a strong drive to succeed. Of course, if you employ paid traffic strategies, these prices will climb, but to get started, you might be up and running for less than $10. You can even begin affiliate marketing without having a website. 5. It is convenient. This is related to the last two benefits I mentioned, but it's worth emphasizing the convenience elements. Aside from not having to create a product and deal with customer support, it's also a highly convenient business strategy. You can find affiliate items rapidly, and you can look for a new and appropriate affiliate product to advertise each time you target a new topic on your website or email list. With all of the affiliate systems available, finding a new affiliate partner is simple, and being paid is handled automatically by the program. You successfully direct your viewers to their sales page, and the rest is passive income. 6. Size scalability. Affiliate marketing is more scalable than you think. With the upsells available for the things you advertise, you can scale your income, and once you start making money, you can establish a team to target certain keywords linked to the product. If you have a blog, creating an article writing team will help with SEO, and if you have affiliate revenues, you may use the money to build affiliate funnels and leverage sponsored traffic. You may even create different campaigns for various products and generate multiple income streams from each one. Once the affiliate marketing effort is completed, these will generate passive income. Now let us look at the cons of affiliate marketing. 1. You're effectively building another business. All of your efforts effectively promote and build another company's email list. When you market an affiliate product, that is the top and bottom of it. Nevertheless, you can still build your email list first before directing traffic to another website, which has the potential to become your subscribers' go-to website in the future. 2. You have no impact on the product. You may be marketing the product, and the owner may change or add elements with which you disagree. The sad truth is, you have no control over this. The owner could also remove the merchandise at any time without notice. They may decide not to run the business any longer, change the affiliate platform, or never update the content. 3. Competition may overtake. You can find yourself competing with an industry powerhouse. This will make it more difficult for you to succeed and generate a reasonable profit. For example, you may be doing well with a specific product advertised on Facebook ads, and your affiliate funnel may be working flawlessly. Then, all of a sudden, you begin to get outbid for keywords by another marketer with deep pockets who is willing to outspend you on ads. Your income will be reduced overnight, and there is typically nothing you can do about it. 4. Questions of trust. Many individuals doubt affiliate marketers because scammers have tarnished their reputations. Things are getting better, but some software vendors will refuse to let you use their program if you promote an affiliate link. Affiliate links in emails are frequently prohibited by email autoresponder software firms unless you first link it to your site. Some, on the other hand, will only allow them in specific industries and limited niche markets. So what is the success rate of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a great business model if done right. According to Entrepreneurs Unstuck, just 5% of affiliates are successful with their affiliate efforts, which means that the other 95% fail miserably. However, don't be discouraged because many of the causes for failure are due to them doing things incorrectly and lacking a smart strategy. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe too.